Hi guys, this is a video review of the Eonon 1055 head unit, custom fit for 2009 Toyota Corolla 10th generation. So let's turn it on. Should go to the radio mode here. And I think you guys can see that it shows the data right here, what station and the track and the artist. And to change the station, you would just press and it would change. So let's go ahead and play a DVD. This will actually remember the exact position of the DVD that I was playing before I took it out, which is a cool feature. Usually when you take the DVD out, the players will forget what it was playing, especially if you played something else in between. This will remember that. So this is the exact scene that I was playing when I had taken it out. Alright, so we'll do the same with a regular CD. Now, the last time I did it, it actually remembered the spot from the Michael Jackson CD. So let's see if it still does that. So this is the exact position that it was at on this song. So that's kind of impressive because it remembers for two different CDs, DVDs, it remembers the time. But it won't remember the time when you play an MP3 CD. So let me show you that. Or an MP3 DVD for that matter. Or anything with MP3s. USB drives, DVDs, or CDs with MP3s, it will not remember the time. It will remember the track, but not the time. Takes a couple of seconds here to load up. So this is View to a Kill. Let's forward through this track a little bit. So you can see this is about 2 minutes and 39 seconds into the track. This display can only be brought up through the remote. For the on-screen display, it can only be brought up through the remote. So we'll go ahead and it's 2 minutes 52. Let's go to a, I have one track on this USB drive. It's only 128 meg. It's Magic 6 by DJ Tiesto. And that's my main problem, is that I listen to a lot of trance mixes and they're like 60 to 120 minutes long. And if it forgets the time of the track, it's kind of a pain to try to find the spot where you left off because the track is so big. So again, let's bring up the time display and we'll forward through. So let's go quite a bit forward here. That should be good. That's about 8 minutes in. So you can see it's about 8 minutes and 58 seconds, 9 minutes in. Now let's try to find that position back on our MP3 playing the Duran Duran. So let's go back to that. And I believe it was right around 3 minutes. So again, the display is not automatically there, so you have to bring it up, and as you can see, it's back to 7, 8, 9, 10 seconds, beginning of the track. So we'll try it again with the transmix that I have made on the USB drive. This was at 9 minutes when we last left off, so it should be able to get back to where it was. Just bring up the time, and we're back to the beginning of the track. So that's my biggest problem with this, is because it will not remember the tracks. Other issues are that the display is really bright during the day, which is good, but at night it's way too bright, and the only way to dim it is if you hold this button here. And like right now, it looks blank, which is fine, but at night it actually is still on, but at a very low brightness, but not bright enough for you to do anything with the touchscreen. So you have to bring it back up to this full brightness, which bathes the car in the glow of the screen that it is, and it's very distracting to drive with this kind of display on at night. And the buttons here, the brightness does not dim on these either. So a couple of issues there. I will be sending the unit back to Eonon to see if they can fix the issue with the track position problem. They have said that they would try to fix it, and I'll report back after that's been done. This is a video review of the Eonon 1055 head unit for 10th generation Toyota Corolla.